Retired General Chiwenga, the people's choice for Zimbabwe's next president and first secretary of ZANU-PF, despite propaganda and shadow boxing by hired spin doctors, Vice President Constantino Chiwenga remains steadfast in his commitment to the people of Zimbabwe. Sanavina mashoko ari kuonekwa kunzi aiwa panapa masupporters ageneral vari kuuya vachikapena for him for 2028. Will subscribe or like on the bell icon. Twitter page GT. Despite the noise generated by the chief of propaganda, Chris Mutsvangwa and his team of deceivers, General Chiwenga's loyalty, focus, and unshaken resolve continue to inspire hope among masses. It is clear that Chiwenga is the people's choice to lead Zimbabwe as the next president and first secretary of ZANU-PF. His unwavering dedication to the country's progressive and his ability to navigate through the challenges posed by those who seek to undermine his campaign make him the ideal candidate to steer the nation towards a brighter future. Retired General Chiwenga's military background and his role in the liberation struggle have earned him the respect and admiration of many Zimbabweans. His leadership during the 2017 military intervention that led to the resignation of former President Robert Mugabe demonstrated his commitment to the nation's well-being and his willingness to take decisive action when necessary. As the race for the presidency and the position of first secretary of ZANU-PF intensifies, Zimbabweans must stand behind Chiwenga and reject the propaganda and shadow boxing of his opponents. The future of the nation depends on the leadership of a man who has proven his loyalty, focus, and unshaken commitment to the people's cause. In the coming months, as the campaign gains momentum, it is essential that Zimbabweans remain vigilant against the lies and deceit of those who seek to undermine Chiwenga's candidacy by staying informed, engaging in open dialogue, and mobilizing support for Vice President. The people of Zimbabwe can ensure that their voices are heard and that their choice for the next president and first secretary of ZANU-PF is realized. Retired Chiwenga represents the hope, the resilience, and the determination of the Zimbabwean people. His leadership will guide the nation towards a future of prosperity, unity, and progress. Let us stand together, reject the propaganda, and support Constantino Chiwenga as the next president of Zimbabwe and the first secretary of ZANU-PF. Thomas Kwarbuda panguva ine arotogwa nemasupporters aVP Constantino Chiwenga. Tudze mafungiro enyu muri kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi vari kuonekwa kuti nhau dzesuccession panguva ino dziri kuintensifya. Nhakomai section medu mafungiro enyu, so subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.